How do we find the GCF or greatest common factor of a given pair of numbers? Okay, so number 1, 32 and 12. So what is the greatest common factor of 32 and 12? So meron tayong maraming ways para isolve ang GCF. Pwedeng listing method, ilista natin isa-isa yung factors of 32 and 12. Pwede yung continuous division, and then pwede rin yung factor 3. So, ang ipapakita ko dito ay yung continuous division lang tsaka yung factor 3. Yung listing method, madali lang naman yun. Isa-isahin lang natin yung factors. Okay, so kunin natin by continuous division. So, we have 32 and 12. So, isipin lang natin saan pwedeng i-divide ang 32 and 12. Prime numbers, so prime numbers. So, magsimula tayo sa 2. Dahil parehas itong even number, 32 and 12 pwedeng i-divide sa 2. Okay, so 32 divided by 2, we have 16. And then 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. So tapos, ang 16 at 6, pwede pa ulit siyang i-divide sa prime number na 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So stop na tayo dito dahil ang 8 at 3 ay wala ng common factor kasi ang 3 ay prime number na. Kapag dun sa last part ay meron ng prime number, stop na tayo doon. So therefore, ang GCF ng 32 and 12, i-multiply natin itong nandito sa part na ito. So we have 2 times 2. So the GCF of 32 and 12 is equal to 4. Okay? So ayan yung continuous division. Ang next naman natin ay isolve natin ito gamit yung factor 3. So factor 3, so we have 32 and then 12. So kunin natin yung prime factors of 32 and 12. So ang 32, pwede ang 32 sa 8 times 4. Okay? So 8 times 4, that is 32. Tapos ang 8, may factors pang 8, so that is 4 times 2. Okay? Itong 2, okay na to. Tapos itong 4, that is 2 times 2. Okay na ito. And then ang 4 ay pwede pa yung isulat as 2 times 2. So therefore, meron palang 5 factors ng 2 ang 32. So next, yung 12 naman, ang 12 ay equal sa 4 times 3. So tapos, ang 4 ay 2 times 2. And then, so we have 2 times 2 times 3. So ngayon, ano yung common sa kanilang dalawa? Tingnan natin yung prime factors ng 32. Meron tayong 5 2. Ang 12 naman, may 2 2, tsaka isang 3. So therefore, ang common sa kanila, pareha silang may tig 2 2, kaya ang GCF nila ay i-multiply natin ito. So kagaya na nito, 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. So ito yung common, i-multiply natin yung common. So we have 2 times 2, parehas tig 2 ng 2. So therefore, same answer, ang GCF natin ay 4. Okay, so next number, so 50 and 15. So find the GCF or greatest common factor of 50 and 15. So mas madali yung isa na lang ang i-try natin, yung continuous division, 50 and 15, saan pwedeng i-divide ang 50 and 15. Prime number, magsimula tayo sa pinakamababa. 0 at 5 ang dulo, so therefore pwede itong i-divide sa 5. So 50 divided by 5, that is equal to 10. And then 15 divided by 5, that is equal to 3. So stop na tayo dito kasi itong 3 prime number na. So kapag isang beses lang na-divide, so therefore ito na yung ating GCF. So ang GCF of 50 and 15 ay 5. Okay? So, itry nyo naman ang number 3, find the GCF of 46 and 16. Comment your answer.